Now you have this data. We know small sample, if it's for the normal distribution, we use t-value to build confidence interval. Okay? So sometimes it's not from normal distribution. It looks so different from the normal. How we can still find out the confidence. So the population mean, what's the interval? Okay? We try to estimate where is that population mean. Okay? So the bootstrapping we call resampling approach. That means we generate samples from these 7 data points. And the sample size is still 7. And so how you do that? So this time you random pick one, and then put one back, and then random pick next one. So it's turned out, if you like my resampling, the first one, I pick up 4.94 2 times. Okay? So this one will slightly different from your original data. Because bootstrapping or sampling, you don't have nothing new here. It's just you resampled. Okay? And the resampled approach seems reasonable. It's independent and random sample. I just put back and then sample it. So in this way, you can generate all different combination, right? Because sometimes for this one, 4.45 you have twice, and 4.34 you pick up twice. And then you can calculate what's X bar. Okay? And you can conduct thousands of times. You have a whole list to see X bar's distribution. And then to see, on average, this X bar's distribution on average is target the same, right? The population mean. That makes sense. It's just a way we call bootstrapping, just resampling your data. You have these ones. Say, for example, I can sort the data from smallest to the largest. So if we want to build a 95% confidence interval, so where is that, the range? Oh, whoops, we sort. So bootstrapping certainly is very, you just cannot do it manually, right? The process. So the statistics software is good. It has the function. So if we put the data field efficiency into, say, a new data set, paste here. So the first we say analyze. So everything goes to analyze distribution, okay, in jump. So that's good. That's the data looks like. And if we right-click the mean, okay, or the summary statistics, right-click, on the bottom there's an option called bootstrap. You click bootstrap, you see number of bootstrap samples. By default, mine is 2,500. Okay? You click OK. It takes a while because it's computational heavy. It's just need to reshuffle and then pick. Now, this is the data. What is data all about that X bar? Okay? So this is the average. This is the one we're interested in. And then we just analyze distribution. Okay? Question? Here. So now we have 2,500 X bars from bootstrapping. So now we summarize this X bar, because we like to see the range. Okay. So here, 2 approaches. One from our textbook. So this is example from the textbook. So if you're interested, you can go back to see I put the page number there. See, they have 2.5 percentile, right? 97.5 percentile. You can use these 2 as your 95% confidence interval. Okay. Another approach suggested, it's already give you, if you click here, the mean, they have the confidence interval. Okay. So that's the bootstrap confidence limits. Okay. just give you here. You can certainly you can use 95%. Okay, slightly. Yeah, slightly different. Okay, 95% or 90%. So this is how we yeah. So once they have built in one, you understand the logic, and then you know how to use the tool. It's done. Yeah.